Hello and welcome to my channel where this is project number what? So this video will feature a wall trim design where this wall will be the focal point of the room basically. So I've marked on the wall where the studs are with painter's tape, and each stud is 16 inches apart. So I intend to brad nail 1x2s directly to the stud. So here I've sanded the 1x2s, I've primed the 1x2s, and just like every project I do, I figure out how to add something else to my list. So here I've decided to put a TV mounting station on the wall, and I'm gonna mount a TV here. And I got that all secured directly to studs, and it looks good. So thumbs up. Now I've started to cut each of the 1x2s, and I'm going to cut them and nail them to the wall at varying lengths, thinking that this will add some interest to the wall. So again, they're 16 inches apart. They're being brad nailed directly to the studs. Caulking the trim gaps turned out to be really satisfying. Now, since they were nailed directly to the studs, they were sitting very nicely with very little gap in it. I could have gotten away with not caulking them, but I'll tell you, caulking always makes your trim projects look classier and way more crisp. So here I am fanning out the caulk. Now, I've done a whole lot of painting projects, and I'm going to tell you, if you're going to tape, use frog tape. It's more expensive, but it is completely worth it. I decided to paint each 1x2 darker than the wall so that they might appear to be floating a little bit. But anyway, as you can see, this frog tape, the lines are crisp. So any painting project you do, I recommend frog tape. So here's a visual of how the darker 1x2s appear on the wall. Now, I did not like how the TV was overwhelming the design. So what I decided was, here again, let's tweak the design to make something that will overwhelm the TV instead. So, as you can see, I scrapped the varying lengths. I made all of the 1x2s the same length. I added a whole lot more 1x2s, and just like that, with this abstract design, the TV has vanished. You'll also see that I styled it with a really nice console table built by who? Yours truly. There's also a video where you can see how that build came together. But I completely approve and enjoy that the TV has vanished. And so here you have the final project, the console table here, and each of the 1x2s. And it's impressive. Here we have it. Enjoy.